Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn how to cut a simple skirt for beginners. In our previous videos we learned how to cut a simple blouse, just a simple air blouse. In this video we are going to learn how to cut a simple skirt. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button. Let's begin. First of all, this is 4 foldings for skirt. We are using 4 foldings, the front and the back. We are cutting the two at the same time because it's just for beginners. It doesn't need any. You have to at first shift the front skirt from the back so that you get the zipper line just 1 inch. Leave a space of 1 inch for the zipper line. The first thing you have to measure is the horizontal measurement. You have to mark the horizontal line. The first thing is the waist line, skirt waistline. This is the first skirt waistline. That's the first thing. Then we have to mark the hips, from hips to the above knee. Hips to above knee. You mark the hips to the above knee like this. You are using the hips to above knee of 9. You use your measurement and cut it. Just this and the skirt length. This is the skirt length. You mark the skirt length. This is hips to above knee. Then you have to mark the hips, where the hips is from the hips, from the waist to the hips, the waist to the above knee, and from the waist to the hips. And this is the waist. This is waist to hips, waist to the above knee, and then the full skirt length. After this, next thing, you have to mark the waist, the round waist. Firstly, this is if you are cutting like pieces skirt. If it is pieces skirt, you have to mark the span. For instance, like this, you have to mark the span. This is the span. You mark the span, the same thing to the span of the waist. The same thing, the span should be the same for here. You are stopping the span from the above knee. You have to stop the span to the above knee from here to here. And after that, you join. Since it is not a pencil skirt or a straight skirt, from the above knee you start to like balance the skirt to open up depending on the amount of the fabric you have. That's how you open up the skirt like this. I'm using this front measurement. I've not included this 1 inch for the zip. This one we are using it for the zip. Now that then you cut this one out. As you cut like this, you see how you cut it. As you cut it like this, see, this skirt we are cutting, it will give you what a balanced wrapper skirt. As you cut it like this, you already cut the back and the front together. You use the front, I've said to then flip it up. You have to take the up to the down like this to trace out the shape. See, place it on top like this, as you see me doing. Place it on top just to trace out the shape out like this. You mark. As you mark like this, you trace out. This is very simple skirt, a very simple skirt for beginners, and it will look good. After tracing it out, you see, you trace the shape out and you cut. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. You see, as you cut like this, after tracing out, you cut. You place it just a little on top of this, just like half inch for the sewing. Just half inch for the sewing. You place it on top. Just half inch like this, just a little. Then you take the remaining measurements. You see this one, after placing it just a half for here, then you take the remaining measurement. You take the waist measurement, the whole waist measurement. You include the sewing allowance for the waist measurement, and the hips, you take the hips measurement too. The round hips, the round waist divided by 4, the round hips divided by 4, and the round above knee, the round knee also divided by 4. You take it like this, you mark, or take it after you trace out, join them together. As you join to this thing, as you join to the above knee like this, then you start to trace it out for it to balance up. You are putting it out so that, like we did here, After that, we cut. We cut out the remaining. Then we shape just 1 inch from here. That's all. This is just a simple set we are done. For the cutting, see, this is the front, this is the back. The back is bigger because we know we add 1 inch for the zipper line too. So this one is the front, and we join this side. You see, and joining this side, we join one here, and the other we join it to this side. This is how the skirt will look like. That's the front. This is we are done for the skirt. We are done for the cuttings. Let's go for the sewing part. Let's move to the sewing part. Let's begin to sewing. The first thing, we are beginning with the back. We have to sew the zipper line that will leave just half and 1 inch left for the zipper line. We sew it up straight line.